Hi friends, today we're going to sing, or I'm going to sing, you're going to listen and hopefully sing along to the song and book Kitty Alone. Do 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 Saw a crow flying low, kitty alone, kitty alone. Saw a crow flying low, kitty alone alive. Saw a crow flying low, and a cat a spinning toe, kitty alone alive, rock-a-my-rye. In came a little bat, kitty alone, kitty alone. In came a little bat, kitty alone alive. In came a little bat with some butter and some fat, kitty alone alive, rock-a-my-rye. Next came in was a honey bee, kitty alone, kitty alone. Next came in was a honey bee, kitty alone alive. Next came in was a honey bee with a fiddle on his knee, kitty alone alive, rock-a-my-rye. Next came in was little Pete, kitty alone, kitty alone. Next came in was little Pete, kitty alone alive. Next came in was little Pete, fixin' round to go to sleep, kitty alone alive, rock-a-my-rye. Be-oh-bye-oh, baby-oh, kitty alone, kitty alone. Be-oh-bye-oh, baby-oh, kitty alone alive. Be-oh-bye-oh, baby-oh, be-oh-bye-oh, baby-oh, kitty alone alive, rock-a-my-rye. See you next time.